Hello friends. Today I tell about a essay on clean and healthy India. If you watch this video on my channel for first time, please subscribe me and click the bell icon. And if you impress through this video, please click on like button and comment me what topic you want. So let's get started. Clean and healthy India. Friends, the quality of life in a country can be best determined by its cleanliness and health indicators. In fact, they are the measure of the country progress. So, to make our environment healthy and free from pollution, we must practice to keeping our surrounding clean by not doing the activities that polluted our environment. Today, the disposal of garbages and waste materials on streets and roads poses serious threats to mankind. The increasing of pollutions in water, soil and also in air is the main reason for increasing the diseases among the people. The people are just throwing garbages here and there without thinking about the country. Moreover, some people used to throw waste on some cultural or religious sports creates which creates the feeling forever for the country in the mind of foreigners who came there. It certainly destroy the aesthetic beauty of our country. Friends, the clean India is definitely a healthy India. If our culture as much emphasis is placed on purling of mind, the emphasis is not on the cleanliness of the external environment. As a result, the people of India do not seem so worried about uncleanness. Today, India come on the second place in pollution when comparing to the other nations. Due to the high pollution in the cities, a lot of garbages is released every day. The villages are also unclean. There is a problem with management of garbage disposal along with paved streets. Lack of drains. Uncleanliness is one of the worst problems in India, which is deeply associated with unhealthiness. Due to uncleanliness, several pollutions occur. This causes diseases and humors. Especially children suffer from this. Along there is a huge growth of mosquitoes. Our surrounding area get polluted and the social health is affected. Uncleanliness also increase the amount of germs in our environment. Our health is affected in countless ways by the unclean environment we live in. Therefore, it's the need of an hour to make India healthy and clean. There are number of ways to which we can keep our India clean. The foremost one includes carrying a polybag anywhere we go. Most noteworthy, a recycled paper bag is best Indians probably throw trash on the streets as they dislike carrying it. However, a recycled paper bag makes it easier to carry waste. The other important measure is to segregated waste in three different basics that are biodegradable, recyclable, and others. The system would help to differentiate between waste and makes the disposal easier. Also, we must promote the recycling to produce specially and plastic item instead of throwing the plastic and choking and choking the environment. It would be better to do some creative things with old plastic item and reuse them. We pay a lot of attention to clean our shelving, but we don't care much about environmental cleanliness. So it's very necessary to spread public awareness regarding clean and healthy India. This economic growth of the country is directly proportional to its cleanliness level. Tourists like to visit countries the aesthetical appealing and do not have bad and ugly surrounding. So if we keep our India clean, our tourism sector will also grow. The government also started many programs and campaigns to spread awareness and make the country clean. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is the one among the numerous programs. Along many slogans like Ek Kadam Swachhata Ki Or were used to spread awareness about cleanliness. So friends, let us young and old change our habit of littering public places, taking part of cleanliness drives on our locality, raise voice and camping against garbage heaps and many such small things that will make India clean and healthy. So friends, it is the video for today. If I told some words to wrong way, please forgive me. And if we impressed through this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe me. It is my first video in my channel. Please subscribe me and support me. Okay, bye bye.